Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add wrapped Ethereum to MetaMask wallet. For that, first of all, we need to find the contract address for wrapped Ethereum. In order to get it, you just have to simply open your web browser and here you need to search for CoinMarketCap. Now, once you are on coinmarketcap.com, you need to use the search bar and here you need to search for wrapped Ethereum. Now, once you are able to find wrapped Ethereum, you just have to simply select it. Now, after selecting it, you will be able to get its contract address. So, in order to get it, you just have to simply scroll down and here you just have to tap on the contract address, which would be the Ethereum based. So you just have to come to your MetaMask app and here you need to make sure that the Ethereum main network is selected first. Now here tap on the import tokens option and select the custom tokens option. Now here you need to paste the address that we have just copied and now press next. After that you need to tap on the import button and this way you will be able to add wrapped Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.